Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, August the 27th. Well, another small-bodied candle day today, and that says something about the market at the moment. Neither side are really trying to make any solid bullish or bearish net progress on the day. The size of the body is determined by the distance between the open and the close. So the market is opened in a position and it's only closed just above where the market opened, and it's green, and that means that the bulls have made some very small net progress on the day. Now we are still in a first time frame downtrend. The previous day established the first time frame downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. Today we had a higher high but a lower low, which means that that's what we call an outside day in bar chart terms, and it raises doubt about the strength of the current downtrend that the market's in. We already raised some doubt about that the previous day because we had a spinning top candle to begin the downtrend. So this downtrend is very much in danger of terminating. Termination obviously will be a day with a higher high and a higher low, so we need to watch the high of the current candle very, very closely. Now just looking at where the market traded down to as well, we can see that we have a very long shadow on the bottom of the body of the candle, and that means that there was very strong upside price rejection when the market tried to trade down through 1018, and that level coincided with this swing high where the market found resistance. And quite often resistance can turn into support and support into resistance. In this case, the resistance has turned into support. The buyers have come in as the market tried to trade down through that area and bought the market up very strongly. The Ichimoku indicators are showing us that the market is still positive. The market has a lot of positive bias to it. We're trading a long way above the cloud or the Kumo, and we're trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. The Tenkan-sen has turned flat, and that reflects the lack of upside or downside momentum in this market. This market has just been going sideways. Now in a market that's been trending up very strongly, we would have expected to see a much stronger retracement of this very strong first time frame uptrend from the previous week or so, and we haven't seen that. So I think we need to really keep an eye on the high of the current candle, keep an eye on this swing high at about 1037, and then this very strong support resistance area at 1044, and I'd say that the market will most likely test that area. If we have a strong bullish close up above 1044, then the market should appreciate quite substantially. But we need to see that before we can say that there will be any strong appreciation. There is still a chance that the market will retrace back to this flat Tenkan-sen, and that is what happens when the Tenkan-sen or the Kijun-sen turn flat. They tend to be an attractor of price action, and there is a chance that the Kijun-sen, which is still pointing up sharply, reflecting a higher time frame uptrend, there is a chance that that could turn flat, and that could act as an area of support and attract price action. But it hasn't yet, so we shouldn't preempt that, but we need to just keep an eye out for that. Now, the market should potentially find support here again at 1018 if it does decide to sell off. So we need to keep an eye on roughly the low of the current candle. Then we have the support area at the Tenkan-sen 1008. We have support at the round number of 1000, which was a previous resistance area, and then solid support at the Kijun-sen. Then support at the swing low, so there's a hell of a lot of support all the way down through here. So if this market does sell off, there are so many places where support can come in and hold this market up. To the upside though, we only have this one area of resistance at around from here to 1044 that will be limiting the upside potential of this market. So if we do see that strong retest of that area and a strong close above there, then the market will trend up very strongly. So I think what we're seeing is a market that's very, very bullish, and the probability is that this market should continue trading to the upside.